Welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I am Sujata Shivashankar. Today I am going to show you how to make onion cashew pakoda.
To prepare the crispy onion cashew pakoda, I have taken 2 medium-sized onions uniformly thinly sliced. Add the sliced onion to the bowl. Add 3 green chilies sliced. Add 12 crushed garlics along with the outer peel. Add 1 teaspoon of thinly sliced ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Add half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add half teaspoon of ajwan. It's optional. If you don't have ajwan, you can add jeera or cumin seeds. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 pinch of asafoetida. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add salt as needed. Squeeze the onion and combine well. Squeeze the onion thoroughly until the water gets released and combine well. Onions are squeezed like this. I have taken 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Add the gram flour to the onion mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Rice flour will make the pakodas crispier. I have taken about 25 cashew nuts soaked in water for about 15 minutes. Add cashew nuts to the mixture. Add about 2 tablespoons of hot oil. This will make the pakodas even more crispier. Now combine everything well. You can sprinkle some water if needed. We are not adding any water to it. The pakoda dough is done. Heat sufficient oil in pan and drop small portions of the pakoda mixture in hot oil on medium-high flame. Fry the pakodas in batches. Flip over. Fry evenly both the sides. Deep fried golden brown, crispy and crunchy onion pakodas are ready. Transfer it to the plate and drain the oil on kitchen tissue. Onion cashew pakodas are ready. Serve it with hot masala tea. It's a best tea time snack. Try our onion cashew pakoda recipe at your home. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Aditi Food Channel.
Thank you for watching.